I'm Susan Joy Schlief, founder of PresentationsWithResults.com. In some of my recent blog posts, I've been talking about how to create your own images for PowerPoint when you can't find an existing image that works exactly right for you. One way to do that is by modifying an existing clip art design, and I'm going to show you a short demonstration of how that works. I've copied down an image from Microsoft.com of a clip art, which isn't the most exciting image, but if I were going to talk about 4 steps that you can follow to improve your marketing or some topic like that for a presentation, I might want to use these footsteps as a graphic metaphor for the steps that you can follow. In order to make this clip art look better, the first thing I need to do is ungroup it, and I can do that by right-clicking on the image, going to Group and Ungroup. It's going to ask me if I want to convert to a drawing object, and I say yes. And then I have to ungroup one more time. I'm not sure why it has to be done twice, but it does. And now, as you can see, it's broken up that image into a whole bunch of little pieces. To start modifying those, I first need to click over here to unselect them. Then I can start selecting individual pieces to remove from the image. The next thing I want to do is turn these footsteps so they're all facing in the same direction, but in order to do that I need to regroup the pieces for each footstep. I'm going to select the first one, hold down the Control key, and click on the next, and the next, and the fourth piece. Then I'm going to right click again and select Group, and then do the same thing for this one. Remember to hold down the Control key, otherwise you won't get the pointer change. Right click and group. Now I can take each of these footsteps and turn them so that they're all facing the same direction, and I can move them around. And now that I've done that, I'm seeing that they're not really all the same shape. So what I'm going to do is just work with one footstep and copy it using Control C and then Control V. And I'm also going to flip this one because it looks like it's 2 right feet, and we want to make one of them look like a left foot. There. So now we have the bulge on the side of the foot going in the other direction. So then I'm going to copy this one again and move it over here. So now I have 3 footsteps and a more interesting metaphor to use for my presentations.